Oak Essentials Moisture Rich Balm. This is amazing if your skin is dry, you have mature skin. It really just puts the moisture back in. And this is the only thing I put on my skin. Again, I don't use any Botox. I'm 58 years old. I live on a boat, so I'm constantly in the sun and the wind, which does havoc on your skin. The Moisture Balm. And see, I've been using this for 6 months. Again, you just take a little bit, rub it all over your skin, and it feels so good. Smells, again, like citrus, all natural oils. And you're left with a nice, clean face, not oily. My skin feels tight. It feels, I can feel it like tightening up already. It feels moist and it feels tight, but not dry. It feels moisturized and just like I'm getting a facelift. I've never had a facelift, but it feels like, I don't know, it's getting snugger. My neck. I love this. I love this stuff. It feels moisturized. It doesn't look or feel greasy, and I feel like it's doing work. I feel like I have a mask on, but I don't.
Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.